everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today I'm super excited to be doing a nail art video and I'm using the warm tone shades from the new Glaze Cali Dreams collection. I'm going to do a little different setup and I'm really excited, so let's get into the video. So on the side here we have the little color guide and then the nails are going to light up with what colors I'm using. So the first shade that I am using is called Sunset Crew, and it is going on my thumb and my pinky. Then I'm going to be using Tangerine Heat on my index fingers, Sunny You Should Ask on the middle finger, and Vacay Dreams on my ring finger. And this goes for both hands. And then we're going to be using some acrylic paint. And here is sort of the layout, which you guys are going to see exactly how I do it in the upcoming part. But I thought laying out like this was kind of fun, kind of different, and maybe helpful for people that kind of don't necessarily know what they're doing on all of the nails, since in the video I really only show it one because otherwise it would take forever to show all of the nails. So on my thumb I am wearing the shade Sunset Crew and I have done 2 coats of that. I put on a top coat and then I'm doing the art on top of that because I wasn't sure I was doing art. That's the only reason my nails like super shiny right now. You could totally do it right on top of the nail polish pre-top coat. That's completely normal. What I did was a little not normal. But then the next step that I did was I used the white acrylic paint and put 3 dots in the middle of my nail, like towards the top of the cuticle line. That way I would have kind of like guidelines as to where to put these little arches. My original idea for this manicure was to kind of like make like little sunshines coming from the moon part of my nail. But then I really just liked the stacked kind of semicircles. It came out really cute. So that is kind of just what I went with. And I did this on the cuticle or the slash moon section, I guess, on all of my nails, as you guys can see here. And it takes a little bit of time to get the curves right, but for all intents and purposes, this is a pretty easy, simple manicure. And I feel like it looks more complex just because I'm using a different color on each nail, which I also just think makes it look extra fun. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I am absolutely loving the new Glaze Cali Dreams collection, and I will be doing a video on it soon, but I was like so excited that as soon as it came, I put on all the warm tones and did some nail art, and I'm going to do the same for the cool tones, so be on the lookout for another video coming out soon with some nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you thought of the new addition at the beginning, kind of showing you the whole hand layout, and I will kind of use that information for future videos and continue or not continue with that part. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!